Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today in the first lesson of class 5 mathematics, we are going to start with a beautiful story about a fish. The fish we can see many places in the fish market. We are going to learn mathematics with a simple and very interesting story with the fish. Before I start, I like to read rainbow fish. Rainbow fish swimming in the sea. Will you please share a scale with me? Rainbow fish swimming in the sea. Will you please share scale with me? Do you know this special 3 lines poem is known as Haiku. 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 Another example of this haiku is I am a little fish, I like to swim. I am a little fish, I like to swim. You cannot catch me, cause I have fins. You cannot catch me, cause I have fins. Please stop your swimming and play with me. Stop your swimming and play with me. You must have liked it. This 3 lines special poem is known as haiku. Even if you remember some of your haikus, you can write it in your note down. You can note down in your notebook. If not, then try to write this 3 lines poem in your notebook. And it should be and it must be with the face, sea, river, pond, whatever the way you want. The fishes are there with different shapes and different size. Right now in this figure, you find that there are so many fishes of different colors. They are very, very small, and there is one big fish. There is a scale in my hand. It is of 20 centimeter scale. And if I ask you what is the length of 1 centimeter, this is very much, this is around this much. Half of your fingertips. The small 1 centimeter. Can you guess what would be the size of this big fish which is there in front of you? You can say it is around 1000 centimeter. Okay, my friends, now tell me one thing. How many centimeter is 1 meter? Okay, let me tell you. 100 centimeter makes 1 meter, or we can say in other way that in 1 meter there are 100 centimeter. Also, you can draw a different types of fish, their photograph, their figure in your notebook with the different shapes like this rectangle, circle, oval, triangle. With different shapes we can draw the figure of fish in your notebook, and I'd like to see at least 3 figure of fish in your notebook having different color. Don't forget to color all this photographs or the figures of the fish, it would be really nice to see the art done by you. Now, there are so many fishes. Can you remember? Can you tell me what is the name of this fish? It's the goldfish. See how beautiful it is. Let us suppose its weight is around 1 kg. Now tell me, how many grams are there in 1 kg? It is 1000 gram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Now you have to guess what would be the weight of this biggest fish. And I think you can guess it will be around 70 to 80 kg. This brown fish we can find in the sea only. The biggest fish is the whale shark. It is a really big fish. Do you know the difference between a whale shark and a general fish? Let me explain. The whales breathe like we do, but fish have no noses. Whales give birth to babies, but fish lay eggs. These are the two basic differences between the whales and the normal fish. Now, let us have some questions about how many kilograms you weigh. Can you guess what is your weight? It is approximately 30 kg. What will be the weight of such 10 children? Then 30 multiplied by 10, it gives you 300 kg. Then what will be the weight of such 15 children? 15 multiplied by 30, it will give you 450 kg. Okay, one biggest whale fish weight was about 1200 kg. 1200 kg. Now tell me, how many children required to get weight equal to whale? Because the weight of one student is around 30 kg, then 1200 divided by 30, it gives you 40. That's why the number of students will be 40. What will be the weight of such 5 children? 5 multiplied by 30, it will give you 150 kg. How much taller you are? Just 1 meter. Now tell me, 1 meter, how many centimeter? That is 100 centimeter. What will be the length of such 5 students? In terms of meter, it is 5. But if I ask you in terms of centimeter, it will be 5 meter multiplied by 100, then give you 500 centimeter. Now, can you guess the length of big fish? It is around 15 meter. In terms of centimeter, it will be 15 multiplied by 100, it will give you 1500 centimeter. Okay, boys. Now I think you all love your school. The school is the place where we do our study. School is a place where we play, where we are involved in different kind of activities, whether it is co-curricular activities, academics, games and all that. You will be surprised to know there is another meaning of school. A group of fish together. A group of fish together is called a school, or SHOAL, show. SHOAL or SCHOOL. School means a group of fish. A group of fish is also known as school. Please don't forget and remember it. Now, there is one table with different types of fish with their size and weight. The small fish, its size is 2 centimeter and the weight is 50 gram. A big fish, its size is 20 centimeter and the weight is 1 kg. On the basis of this given information, just I have written 4 questions for you all to write their answer in your notebook. What will be the size of such 15 small fishes? 15 small fishes, and the size of one small fish is 2 centimeter. That's why its answer would be 15 multiplied by 2, 30 centimeter. What will the size of such 20 big fishes? Again, 20 big fishes multiplied by 20, 400 centimeter or 4 meter. What will be the weight of 20 small fishes? The weight of one small fish is 50 gram. Therefore, the weight of such 20 small fishes will be 20 multiplied by 50, 1000 gram. And you don't forget that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Now, what will be the weight of 30 big fishes? 30 big fishes multiplied by 1 kg, it will give you 30 kg. In this way, you can prepare another table with the different size and different weight, and you can frame the questions and you can answer it and you can do it in your notebook. Thanks for today's lessons. In the next lesson, we will go for the next part of this story and we will continue with this story of this fish. Thank you very much.